Have a CHL file from a TV tuner card? This is a channel list file from WinFast PVR2 TV tuner software for personal video recording. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these TV channel configuration files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open in CHL file. Here's a sneak peek. CHL files are channel list files used by WinFast PVR2 TV tuner software, a personal video recording application bundled with Leadtek WinFast TV tuner cards. They store complete television channel configurations, including channel numbers, frequencies, station names, and signal parameters, enabling automatic tuning and channel selection during TV viewing. CHL channel list files use a structured format, storing channel definitions, including frequency assignments, broadcast standards, station identification, and viewing preferences. The format includes signal source information cable or antenna designations, and channel ordering preferences specific to WinFast PVR2's channel management system. The industry standard application for CHL is considered to be Leadtek Research WinFast PVR2 from Leadtek Research. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows cannot interpret configuration semantics, so editing must be performed cautiously. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the CHL file and hit Open with. Test Leadtek Research. WinFast PVR2 if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your CHL file still refuses to open, stay calm. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common CHL failure areas. First, loading in WinFast PVR2. Launch WinFast PVR2 software and use the channel management interface to import the CHL file. The application loads the channel configuration, making all listed channels available for viewing and recording. Verify channel reception after import, as broadcast frequencies may have changed since the original channel scan. Next, editing channel list. Use WinFast PVR2's channel editor to modify imported channels, adjusting station names, ordering, or favorite designations. The editor provides options for organizing channels logically based on viewing preferences. Save changes back to the CHL file format for future reuse on the same or different WinFast installations. Finally, migrating to modern software. For users transitioning from WinFast PVR2 to modern PVR software like Windows Media Center alternatives or Next PVR, document the channel information from the CHL file. Manually configure channels in the new software using the documented frequencies. Modern software typically rescans channels automatically, simplifying the migration process. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.